Hi, my name is Shakayla Daniels, and this is my technology and health project. So, the app I decided to choose was Fit by Katie. Fit by Katie is an app that is designed specifically for women. Um, it was created by personal trainer Katie Earn, and it can be used at the gym or at home. Now, the app is free to download, but to actually use the app, you actually do have to either subscribe to her two plans or you would have to buy her promo plan for the season she would be promoting. With the app, you do have the $4.99 plan, which is the basic for users who do not want to pay that much but still want to have the ability to use her plans. You will only have access to the workout generator, but it is available to use at home or at the gym. It's up to you. The second subscription is her premium subscription, which is $18.99. You will have access to all her previous seasonal challenges, as well as the workout generator. You will also have access to a meal plan, which can help you make healthier choices and aids in losing more weight, as well as she has a FAQ for all her subscribers so that they can better understand the app or plan that they have. Now, this is just the app layout. So the first picture is how it will look. Whether you subscribe to either one of those subscriptions, this is mine. I do have the premium one, so the promos are unlocked. The second picture is the workout generator. So you click on the workout generator and you will have access to either choosing at home or at the gym, and she will actually creating a workout based on what you are focusing on that day. The third one is how it looks when you click into the summer promo. This is just basically how the weeks and the plan is set up for the 5 days you work out. The fourth picture is Katie's latest, so she just updates this about every week or so, just to give little ideas, inspirational things to keep the women motivated. And the last would be the nutrition guide, of course, with the FAQs. She also gives you a list of supplements, or you can choose to buy her natural made ones. You have your food list, and she will show you what to do with your macros. Now, I have put in personal reviews. I do have my personal reviews. I love Katie. I've been following her for a long time. And when she gave this opportunity to help women, be able to use her plan and make it more affordable, I had to just take the chance and take it. And I'm happy I did because I have slow progress, but it's enough. This is from someone who did her challenge about 2-3 years ago. She said, her name is Braylee. She said, I gained so much self-confidence from these workouts and Katie's positive attitude on social media. My body has toned up so much and I'm not stopping soon. So there are a lot of people who really do enjoy the app. Now, I do have a video included of what she will tell you to do, also of what I was doing. It's not playing right now, but you will have the opportunity to look at it when you open the PowerPoint. Now, pros and cons of the app. Pros, it's intense. You will get results. You can have a nutrition guide. She do give you videos to show you the proper form. She also has a website and an Instagram, so you will always have plenty of resources to just help you move on. And you can also use the MyFitness app with this plan. Now, the cons are it does cost money. So if this is a way that you're trying to work out, but you don't want to pay any money, I do not recommend this app. The navigation is confusing and the layout is so boring. And then sometimes you have to start over when redoing your workout. So that can be kind of not so great. Now, there are health benefits included with this app. So, of course, exercising 3 to 4 times a week is vital. And this app focuses on making sure that you are at least strength training 5 days a week as well as cardio 3 days a week. So with exercising, you will increase endurance. Your stress level will reduce. You will feel healthier. You will have more energy. It's a lot of health benefits that comes along with this app, as well as just working out in general. So I do have some quotes, and I have included some words cited.